Vice President Constantino Chiwenga on Wednesday, 24th April, warned currency speculators allegedly sabotaging the new Zimbabwe gold currency that the long arm of the law will catch up with them. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Officially opening the International Business Conference at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair in Bulawayo, Chiwenga urged both the public and private sectors as well as households to accept ZiG. Chiwenga also said the government will put measures in place to curb the smuggling of gold out of the country. He asserted that the structured currency will enable long-term business planning and encourage savings and investments in the economy. The stability of the ZiG will boost investor confidence in the economy and lead to increased production and exports. The economy will also experience an increase in domestic demand as people's purchasing power gradually improves amid low and stable prices. Government through the central bank will, however, continue to monitor interest rates to curtail speculative borrowing to ensure optimal money supply and to keep inflation under control. In today's news, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga warns currency speculators undermining ZiG. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.